So, funny story from yesterday. You may notice the video ended quite abruptly because I managed to leave my camera in the lobby of Sapphire Falls and didn't realise till we got back to our hotel, and so it'd been there about half an hour.
That longer than that.
Was it longer than that?
Yeah, over an hour.
Anyway, so I tried to get through to the like the lobby, but it just kept putting me through to essential reservations. I couldn't speak directly to someone in Sapphire Falls. So my sister, because she's staying on Universal, she managed to get through to Bell Services, and the lad that was working in Bell Services went to the lobby area and it was still there. This was probably about an hour later, and it was apparently it was really busy, but no one had actually touched the camera. It was still sat there. So the Bell Services chap got a nice little tip, and I got the mickey taken out of me by everyone for leaving my camera behind. So anyway, today, now I have my camera back, we are going off to Islands of Adventure, and we are going to try, we can't wait to get on Velocicoastor, but Mason wants to build up to Velocicoastor, so...
He's not the only one.
Yeah.
Check the cars. So
we'll probably try and get on a few calmer ones first. We want to do Hagrid's.
Some advice for you. If you go to SeaWorld, don't go on the Kraken and then straight away on the Manta, because you'll end up like me, feeling very, very ill for a couple of hours.
I was fine, he's a bit of a wuss. Right, so we're just walking from Cabana Bay. We're walking back over to Sapphire Falls, and we're going to get the boat down to City Walk. We decided to walk. Hi. Take the river halfway instead of getting the boat today. 4,000 steps later. 4,000 steps. I better not put on any weight this week because we've done so many steps. Sit in the back. Here they go. What about sitting on your leopard?
Can you take a picture?
Come on. Oh, on your phone? Okay. Oh no, that's what she wanted. She wanted a Groot.
Yeah, she sent me the thing saying Groot. So I need to look for little Groots.
Little Groot's car. Yeah. Oh, this is where you'll get it. This and the MGM. Oh yeah. Have they got yours? There will be. Let's have a look. Patrick. Oh, here we are. M's. Morgan. I think they start down here. MA.
Mason.
Yeah, Mason. Cool. Would you like that? Or would you like the one at the hotel? Oh wow, look at it. Oh, so cool. And Hulk, they're just testing it. It wasn't running, but they are just testing it now. Mythos. No, you don't. That's quite a nice place to have lunch, Mythos.
Right.
Over directly opposite. Right, so Mason and I are going to go on Spider-Man. Trevor's sitting out because he feels he's got a bit of motion sickness from yesterday. So he's sitting this one out. We have come in, oh, I forgot what it's called. It's the restaurant by the Jurassic Park ride, the water ride. So we come in here, we're going to do mobile ordering. I have made a little purchase. Universal Studios in the old vintage Universal Studios colours, and I also got a little key ring. It's got a nice wide strap. So, and we've recharged our cup. That was like just over $11 for the day. Mason's having a turkey leg.
Turkey leg. Mason, pick it up.
Mason's got a whole dinosaur on his plate. And no of us. We've got the combo. A milkshake, chocolate. Mason's got a swirly one, vanilla and chocolate. Only thing is, we did wait a long time. It was like 40 minutes for this. But I think they'd forgotten our order somehow. Mason's nervous going on Kong because he keeps farting. We're just heading on Kong.
And it's very cold here.
Yeah, it's freezing in there. Come on.
It's cold.
Wow.
The windows don't look big.
That's so cool, isn't
The
it?
windows don't look big.
We've just been on Kong.
Look how small the windows are.
Right, let's head onto, what's this one called?
Castle Road.
Can't even remember.
Castle Road.
Escape from Gringotts is the other one. So we've just been on Hagrid's and it was brilliant, wasn't it?
Oh, amazing.
Had a drop about 500
I think that's Mason's favourite so far. But
because when you drop, you start going again. You're like, is it over? And then it's like the boost just go around the corner.
yeah, that was definitely a favourite. So we're going to go meet Lisa and Wendy now. We're going to get a drink and meet Lisa and Wendy. Look at this, we're heading on Poseidon's Fury.
Oh, not the right thing.
I haven't been on this in years.
I've never been on it.
You've never been on it? Well, they've changed it, I think, since I've been on it.
Is it ride?
No, it's a walk-through experience, but it's really cool.
Top on Top Shop. Hot topping on
on top. As you can see, here in the heart of Seuss Landing is a carousel that's truly outstanding. And I see the trees, the truffula trees, the bright colored tufts of the truffula trees, mile after mile in the fresh blowing breeze. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. From there to here, from here to there, fantabulous things are everywhere. Just look at that red and white hat. I'm sure it belongs to that black and white cat. And look out below!
Here we go!
Kangaroo Zoo! Oh, what this zoo must be worth! It's the most wonderful zoo on the face of the earth.
Hold on!
Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam I am. And I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. Now we bypass two unbudging Zacks, both stubbornly stuck on budged in their tracks. Now keep your eyes peeled for sneeches. They're known to love beaches. There's one down there, fishing. He's floating. He's wishing. He might catch a fish with a pinwheel-like tail. He might catch a fish who has fins like a sail. He might catch a fish with a checkerboard belly, or even a fish made of strawberry jelly. Say.
There's other boosters up there. And then there's a corkscrew down there.
Having a break.
I think he liked it. That was pretty epic.
Oh, you got my camera, don't you?
Yeah, I've got it today. Right, go on then, what did you make of Velocicoastor? Tell us.
Velocicoastor. It's starting.
Water, darling.
It starts to go down. This is the first one. Make an F1 car sound. Make an F1 car sound.
Just knocked yourself out.
And then it goes. And it gets to the second one. Still the speed. Up the top hat. And then it hangs you. And then it goes. Crazy wide.
And you can't wait to go on it again.
These are
They are enormous.
just for scale.
Oh my god. Mason's in his come up in the guitar.
Mate, that is unreal.
Wow. I've got the mac and cheese, the
I
chicken.
don't think I've ever seen.
Just finished our dinner at Hard Rock and it was delicious. We had, the portions are absolutely huge, like the ribs were just enormous. It was literally huge.
I'm just still sick from Velocicoastor.
So we're going to head round to City Walk now. Mason wants to grab a cap that he saw yesterday. And after that I think we're going to head on home. We've got a really late day tomorrow. We're at the Magic Kingdom after hours.
Yay!
So we're going to have a chilled day. Maybe round...
I went on Velocicoastor.
Maybe round the pool. And then... yeah. And then go home, have a shower, ready to go out at about 6 o'clock to Magic Kingdom.
Baby, dance the night away. I let my head down the fire one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.